The Pahalgam terror attack has shocked the entire nation, and Bollywood too is feeling the impact. Amidst this tragic expressing their grief and offering support, one of the latest reaction comes from the nation's beloved actor Amir Khan, the actor who's been known for his the actor who has been known for his thoughtfulness made a significant decision regarding the special screening of his iconic 1994 comedy film Andaz Apna Apna. The film, a cult classic that has earned a massive fan base over the years, was being re released in theaters after being remastered in 4K. This was a major celebration for the film's fans as it was set to make its return to the big screen after almost 3 decades. The re release was scheduled for April 25, 2025, and a special screening was organized as a part of the lead up to its theatrical debut. Fans were looking forward to seeing the film in all its glory, with fresh visuals and restored sound, a perfect opportunity to relive the timeless comedy. However, Amir Khan, who played the charming and somewhat dim witted Amar in the film, made the decision to skip the screening. The news came after it was revealed that the actor was deeply affected by the tragic Pahalgam attack. In a show of respect for the victims and the nation's mourning, Amir decided it wouldn't be appropriate to attend an event filled with celebration while the country was in grief. The film Andaz Apna Apna was a perfect blend of comedy and charm. Amir Khan's chemistry with Raveena Tandon, who played the lovable yet tough Raveen, is still remembered as one of the best pairings in Bollywood. Their comic timing, light-hearted banter, and hilarious misunderstandings are the core of what made this film a classic. Alongside Amir and Raveena, the film featured stellar performances by Salman Khan, who played the witty and bumbling Prem, and Paresh Rawal, whose portrayal of the hilarious villain Teja is unforgettable. The film's quirky storyline and memorable characters have made it a timeless classic in Indian cinema. Its punchlines and iconic moments from the unforgettable Teja Mein Hoon Mark Idhar Hai to Amar and Prem's endless antics have remained etched in the hearts of movie lovers. While the special screening of Andaz Apna Apna was supposed to be an exciting occasion for fans to revisit the legendary film in its revamped 4K version, Amir Khan's absence highlighted his thoughtful nature. The actor's team confirmed that he was in no state to attend the screening in light of the national tragedy. His decision to skip the event speaks volumes about his sensitivity and empathy. The remastering of Andaz Apna Apna comes as a treat for the fans who loved the chemistry between Amir Khan and Salman Khan. Their camaraderie coupled with the over the top humor and iconic dialogue delivery makes it a film that is loved by the audience of all ages. While fans were eager to relive the magic, Amir Khan's absence at the screening cast a reflective tone on the celebration as it coincided with the nation's mourning over the terror attack in Pahalgam. While Bollywood continues to react to the heartbreaking incident, Amir Khan's gesture is just one example of how the entertainment industry is acknowledging the nation's collective grief and standing in solidarity during these difficult times. Now, what do you think on this? Do let us know in the comment section and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.